welcome to another sewing vlog. I think it's been probably a year or two, maybe 2 years. I thrifted this beauty. She's a lot. She is floor length, cherries and strawberries. Look at how cute that is. I love the print. She's got a cute bow in the back, but I just don't need it to be floor length. That's a lot. There's not a lot going on besides the pattern, and so floor length is a lot for this pattern. Also, just to note, I don't know this brand, 100% cotton, made in the USA, baby. So we're gonna alter it in the USA. I'll throw up a little sketch of what I think it's gonna look like. My idea with the scrap fabric, because there is gonna be probably a significant amount, is to do a little bandana moment so it can be matching. Maybe we'll make you a matching bandana too. That would be so cute. That would be so cute. Okay, you want a matching bandana? We'll be matching. Yes.
So the first step obviously was to cut off the excess fabric. And I did this by just putting a pin where I wanted it to go and then fold and cut. Next, I had to painstakingly sew it by hand. I don't have my sewing machine with me in my studio apartment, so I just put on the office and had a little bit of a zen moment and slowly hemmed the dress. Now, for the bandanas, I could use this fabric glue that I found. It is a water-soluble fabric glue, which is why I couldn't use it for the hem, but it worked just fine for these two pieces. And for the headscarf, I didn't actually have enough for a triangle bandana, so you can see me here turning the tube inside out to make a bit of a headscarf. And that's the final product. I think it turned out so cute, and this might be my favorite little thrift flip ever. If I had my sewing machine with me, it would have taken literally 10 minutes. And I just think this is a very realistic thrift flip. Not every single project has to be a day-long, week-long saga. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.